A pleasant day, everyone. I am Jason Enheroche, a faculty of Compostela Valley State College, and today I will be presenting to you our research output entitled Utilization of Biological Control Agents Against Phytophthora palmivora Causing Pod Rot Disease in Cacao. For the introduction, Theobroma cacao is an important tropical rainforest tree, presently recognized as a member of the family Malvaceae that originated in tropical South America. The seeds are the main ingredients of chocolate, while the pulp is used in some countries to prepare refreshing juice, smoothies, and jelly. In the Philippines, around 10,000 to 15,000 cacao farmers are producing cacao nationwide. Cacao black pod rot is caused by Phytophthora palmivora. This disease causes global yield loss of 20 to 30% and tree deaths of 10% annually. For our selected biological control agent, first is Trichoderma harjanum, fungus that is also used as fungicide. It is used for foliar application, seed treatment, and soil treatment for suppression of various disease-causing fungal pathogens. It can develop exactly on the hyphae of other fungi, coils around them, and degrade cell wall. This action of parasitism restricts the development and activity of pathogenic fungi. Second, the Bacillus subtilis, a non-pathogenic bacterium that lives in soil and is often in association with roots of higher plants. It produces a variety of biologically active compounds with a broad spectrum of activities toward phytopathogens and that are able to induce host systemic resistance. Third is Bacillus amelileucifasciens, commercially used as biological control bacterium, being specially efficient against fungal and bacterial pathogens. Produce spores with strong resistance to adverse conditions that provide convenience for commercial uses. The objectives of the study is first to determine the antagonistic effects of the different biological control agents against Phytophthora palmivora. Second, to identify the most effective among the different biological control agents against cacao pod rot caused by Phytophthora palmivora. For the materials and methods, the location of the study is at Crop Science Laboratory of Compostela Valley State College main campus, Compostela, Davao de Oro. The duration of the study is from January to May 2019. The experimental design is the completely randomized design, or CRD, with 3 replications. For the treatments, treatment 1, negative control. Treatment 2 is positive control, or the Phytophthora palmivora. T3 is the chemical control. T4 is Bacillus subtilis. T5, Bacillus amelileucifasciens, and T6, Trichoderma harjanum. These are the series of activities conducted during the experiment. First is the pure culture and mass production of Phytophthora palmivora and preparation of biological control agents. Next is the in vitro test. Next is in vivo test and data gathering and also the statistical analysis. The data gathered for in vitro test is first the radial growth of Phytophthora palmivora and the percent growth inhibition of Phytophthora palmivora. For the in vivo test is the disease incidence, disease severity, degree of effectiveness, and degree of control. For the salient results, in Table 1, the radial growth and percent growth inhibition of Phytophthora palmivora as affected by different biological control agents. The radial growth of P. palmivora in Bacillus subtilis is only 10.33 mm, while in Trichoderma harjanum is 6.77 mm. The growth inhibition of Bacillus subtilis is 55.01%, and in Trichoderma harjanum is 70.54%, and is classified in growth inhibition category as 3. 3 means 51 to 75% growth inhibition. In figure 1, growth response of Phytophthora palmivora to biological control agents. So in letter B and letter D are the Bacillus subtilis and Trichoderma harjanum. Another salient results in table 2, the summary of the data gathered on the touchpad test inoculated with Phytophthora palmivora. The disease incidence for Bacillus subtilis is only 13.33%, while Trichoderma harjanum is 0%. The incubation period of Bacillus subtilis is 1.27 days, and Trichoderma harjanum is 0. The disease severity on cacao pods for Bacillus subtilis is 0.20, while Trichoderma harjanum is 0. Another salient points in table 3, percentage of disease incidence and degree of control of black pod rot on cacao treated with different biological control agents. The degree of control in Bacillus subtilis is 86.67% and is considered as very effective. While Trichoderma harjanum, the degree of control is 100% and is very effective. In figure 2, the cacao pods treated with different biological control agents after 7 days of inoculation. So you can see in letter D, the cacao pods treated with Bacillus subtilis, and letter F, the cacao pod treated with Trichoderma harjanum. For the conclusions, in vitro test, Bacillus subtilis and Trichoderma harjanum inhibit the growth of Phytophthora palmivora of 55.01% to 70.54%, while in vivo test, Bacillus subtilis and Trichoderma harjanum reduce disease incidence of 0 to 13.33% incidence and is considered as very effective in the degree of control of 86.67% to 100%. For the recommendation, further study on the timing and frequency of the application of Bacillus subtilis and Trichoderma harjanum on cacao field. And these are the references. Thank you and have a fruitful day.